Offering a lower heat production and reduced energy consumption, the 225-watt Advanced Spectrum Max 3w-Chip LED grow light U.F.O kit is the ideal all-around grow light for growers with small-scale setups, with each U.F.O grow light kit easily covering an area measuring 5 by 5 feet. The superior technology offered by Advanced Spectrum Max gives the 225-watt modular U.F.O a customized light panel with a 75-piece arrangement of diodes. Each diode uses a 3-watt chip-on-board technology, which offers decreased heat generation and increased lumen output when compared to traditional LED. The inclusion of 90-degree wide-angle lenses in the modular U.F.O means growers can expect superior light penetration for improved coverage and an increase in light intensity by up to 50%. The 225-watt Advanced Spectrum Max 3w-Chip modular LED grow light U.F.O comes in 3 spectrums: blue, red, and multi-band.